Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to compress PDF file size on iPhone. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Go to the I Love PDF website. On the I Love PDF homepage, tap on the Select PDF File button. This will open your Files app or other document storage locations like iCloud Drive, Google Drive, etc. Locate and select the PDF you want to compress. Once your PDF is uploaded, I Love PDF will automatically detect the file. You will typically be offered two compression options: extreme compression, low quality, smallest file size; recommended compression, balance between quality and file size. Choose the level of compression that best fits your needs. After selecting your desired compression, tap on Compress PDF button. The website will process the PDF and compress it. Once the compression is done, you will be taken to a page where you can download the compressed PDF. Tap Download PDF to save the newly compressed PDF to your iPhone. You can either save it to the Files app or open it in another app like Books. After downloading, you can share or store the PDF wherever you need it, such as via email, messaging apps, or cloud storage. And that's everything you need to know about how to compress PDF file size on iPhone.
Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.